In order to remove the taillight, you need to remove the sidings first. I have a video for that, and you can click it on the screen or in the description box below. The taillight is held by 3 8mm nuts. First, unplug all the sockets. Just squeeze the lock and pull it. Then, remove all fasteners. After that, all you have to do is to pull the taillight assembly. Just pull it straight. This piece holds the taillight. I will just gently pull it. This plastic stopper is what I'm referring to earlier. It slides into this spot. So, there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.